At SafetyQuip, we're often asked to provide a confined space gas detector for workers needing to enter and work safely in a confined space. Now, those workers will sometimes ask us, what sensors should be fitted to the gas detector for it to be considered a safe confined space entry gas detector? Now, typically there's 4 sensors that are considered essential on a confined space entry gas detector, presuming that there's no exotic gases present. Now, those 4 sensors are firstly an oxygen sensor. Now, oxygen is sometimes deficient in a confined space. So imagine maybe a tank that's metal, or maybe a metal ladder that's going into a tank, and moisture being present. The process of rusting can consume oxygen from the air, potentially down to an unsafe level. So an oxygen sensor is essential. Carbon monoxide is another sensor that's considered to be essential. So carbon monoxide is a byproduct of burning something. That might be burning fuel, like petrol, for example. It might be burning timber or gas. So often around a confined space, there might be a generator or a truck or an engine of some description. Another sensor is the hydrogen sulfide sensor. So that's rotten egg gas. So you can smell rotten egg gas at a low level, but at a higher level, which might be proving to be fatal, it's generally not able to be smelt. Now, hydrogen sulfide is a byproduct of rotting plants and animals. So imagine a culvert under a road, a pipe under a road that has a bit of a creek or drain through it. There's often moisture in there, from the water in the creek. And there'll often be branches or leaves that are sort of washed down there, or dead dogs or whatever that have washed down under the road. So yeah, that could be a build-up of hydrogen sulfide in that environment. The fourth one is what we call an exposable LEL sensor. So explosive gases that might potentially ignite if there's an ignition source, such as welding or starting up a power tool that could potentially ignite that flammable gas. So they're the standard 4. Speak with the team at your local SafetyQuip branch if you'd like further information on confined space entry gas detectors like this one. This is our most popular one. This is the Honeywell GasAlert BW MicroClip X3 confined space entry gas detector. Speak with our team for further information.